puppy? You can? See, the puppies are eating from a bottle. It's so cute. Oh, look at them pawing the air. Oh, little baby. Okay, a little bit. Okay, we need to burp the baby. Look at the baby. Burp the baby. Here you go. Yeah, I know. Look how strong they are. So muscular. So small and so muscular. There you go. Okay, alright, a little more. A little more. There you go. Good boy. Good little girl. Good girl. Careful, you get fat. Okay. I know. Look at the baby. Let's see what it's doing. There you go. Who are you? Oh, we have a little eye patch. This is Tweaker. She's already been named. I told them they should call her Squeaker because she's a little squeaker when she eats. She makes noise. She's not making any noise now. So quiet. Good girl. Hey, don't drink so fast. Don't drink so fast. Oh. Okay, okay, hold on. No more. Isn't that adorable? Oh. See, I like my goat milk. It's very tasty. There she is. She's singing. She was singing. Okay, I just wanted to show everybody little bottle-fed babies.